Hi guys, my name is Marlon Ceballos, and in this video I'll show you how we can create a remote review process for Photoshop documents. So I'm gonna go to File menu and I'm gonna select this comment, Share for Review. This opens this window, Share for Review. Also, we can click this blue Share button and we'll get the same window, Share for Review. In this window, we can define a name for the link. By default, this name is the same name of the document. Also, we can define if only invite people can comment or if anyone with the link can comment. I'm gonna click this button, Create Link, and now Photoshop is creating a cloud document. This cloud document is a copy of this local document. After the creation of this cloud document, now we get this URL. So I'm gonna copy this URL. I'm gonna go to the browser, and in the Adobe website, I'm gonna click this Files button in the left of the interface. Now we are in this URL, assets.adobe.com, and by default, the Files option is selected. I'm gonna click this option, Review Links, and this is the cloud document that I create. I'm gonna create a new window for this browser, but this window is an incognito window. That is because I don't want to use my Adobe ID. That's mean my user and password for use the Adobe services. So I'm gonna paste the URL, and now we have this interface. Because I'm in incognito mode, I'm simulating a random user. So this random user can, for example, add comments. For example, please make the blue darker. I'm gonna click this button, Submit. This is the new comment, and now I'm gonna return to Photoshop, and I'm gonna go to the Window menu, and I'm gonna select the Comments command. And in this Comments panel, we can see the recent comments. In fact, I can, for example, reply to this comment. Click Submit button. This is the reply. So I'm gonna return to the browser window, and after a short moment, we can see the reply. And this is how we can create a remote review process for Photoshop documents. If you liked this video, thumbs up, and I'll see you in a next video.